Another workflow for WorkMax time is digital timesheet. Instead of clocking in and out in real time, there is the option to select a digital timesheet. Here's where you can come in and just put in your employees and then select the time and the day, or even multiple days. You select which project, which job, and now, after the fact, the foreman or manager can easily come in here and just allocate and break down the time after the fact. This employee worked his 8 hours, but 2.5 hours was spent doing this, and then the rest of the time I had him working on a different task. Once complete, you're able to save this information and send that back to the office.